Welcome to Srija's classes.
Hi students, in this video I will tell you about number systems.
Number system. The number system that we follow is of two types, Indian number system and the international number system. We have different periods in both the number system. In the Indian number system, we have ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores period. And in the international number system, we have ones, thousands, and millions period. So, as we know, ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. These are the four periods in the Indian number system. Now, the period ones, it is divided into ones, tens, and hundred. Thousands period is divided into thousand and 10,000. Lakhs period is divided into lakhs and 10 lakhs, while crores period is divided into crores and 10 crores. Now, where do we put the commas? We put the commas between each period. So here we will put the comma after we complete the ones period, after we complete the thousands period, after we complete the lakhs, then we'll put a comma, and then after we complete the crores period. But after crores period there is nothing, so the last comma will be here in between lakhs and crores. Let's take an example and find out. Let us take the number 7512963. Now, if we put it under the Indian number system, from the right we will put here 3, 6, 9, 2, 1, 5, 7. So now where will we put the commas? After we complete the ones period, that means here. Then after we complete the thousands period, means here. So a number after putting the commas becomes 75,12,963. Now let's shift to the international number system. In the international number system, under the ones period, we have ones, tens, hundred. Under the thousands period, we have thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Under the millions period, we have million, 10 million, 100 million. Remember the difference. In the Indian number system, in thousands period, we had only 1,000 and 10,000. Whereas in the international number system, in the thousands period, we have 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 also. So in the international number system, every period is of 3 numbers. While the Indian number system, only the ones period is of 3 numbers, while the rest was of 2 numbers, as we can see. But the international number system, every period is of 3 numbers. Let's take an example and find out. Let us take the same example, 7512963. So from here we will write, first we will write 3, then 6, then 9, 2, 1, 5, and finally 7. So where will we put the commas over here? We will put the commas between each periods. So after ones period we will put a comma. So we'll put a comma over here. And then after we complete the thousands period we'll put a comma. So we'll put the comma over here. So here it was 75 comma, then 12 comma. Here it is 7 comma 512 comma 963. Always remember, while you are putting the comma, start from your right hand side. Start from the right hand side and go. In the Indian number system, ones, tens, 100, then a comma, 1,000, 10,000, then a comma. In the international number system, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, then comma. First of all, you do one thing. You know the names of the Indian number system, but the names of the international number system is new to us. So first, let us learn the names of the international number system. We already know the names of the Indian number system. Here, O stands for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds, TH for thousands, TTH for 10,000s, L for lakhs, TL for 10 lakhs, C for crores, and TC for 10 crores. So this one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, and then 10 crores. Now what about the international number system? In the international number system, O stands for ones as usual, T for tens, H for hundreds, TH for thousands, TTH for 10,000s. Up till this we know. Till this it is the same as the Indian number system. But after this it changes. HTH 100,000s, M millions, TM 10 millions, HM 100 millions. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now let us take this example 129578634 and we put it in the Indian number system as well as the international number system. Let's do the Indian number system first. So for the Indian number system, I am writing IND. Now let me write the number 1, 2, 9, 5, 7, 8, 6, 3, 4. Okay, as we have seen over here, we will put the comma after we complete the ones period. So we'll start from the right hand side. So ones, tens, 100. We'll put a comma. Then after we complete the thousands period. So 1000 and then 1000. So this is 1000, this is 10,000. Then after we complete lakhs and 10 lakh. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So here. And this was crore and 10 crore. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now how will we write it in words? We'll write it as, so in the Indian number system, we will write it as 12 crores, 95 lakhs, 78,634. Sorry about this. Okay, so 12 crores, 95 lakhs, 78,634. Now how will we write it in the international number system? In the international number system, we put the commas after 3. So after we complete ones period, after we complete thousands period. So here after we complete ones period, ones, tens, 100. So we'll put a comma over here. 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and then the comma. Then million, 10 million, 100 million. So here you can see the difference between the Indian and international number system. The first comma is the same, but here the comma was here. We changed to here. How will we write this in words? Let's see that. In words, we will write 129,578,634. Our number was 129,578,634. Our number was 129,578,634. So 129 was the millions. So 129 million. This was the thousands period. So 578,000. And this was the ones period. So 634. We can also write it as 129 million. We can omit these two and. These two ands are not necessary. You can write it, you can omit it also. You can simply write 129,578,634. So after the million it will be a comma and here it will be a comma. Okay. So this was our Indian and the international number system. Okay, I'll give you something to do. Do it in your home and tell me. This is your homework. So it will be, you have to write all these 5 numbers in both the Indian and international number system. First, in the Indian number system, you will write this. You will give the commas, you will write them in the words, and you will do the same for the international number system. Number 1 was 9857691. Number 2, 123976315. Number 3, 345987241. Number 4, 666544123. And number 5, 195632.
You can find more videos on number system in the suggested box. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button.